This is day 68 of solving a Rubik's Cube every day until I become famous. So before we talk about the solve, just want to say welcome to the series of me solving a Rubik's Cube every day until I become famous. So please subscribe if you really want to continue watching me do this. But today's solve was a great solve because I had a cross. I had the yellow cross pretty early. It was kind of done for me. Very easy, relaxed, thankfully. And also, I will reply to every comment. So please feel free to comment whatever you want. Good things, bad things is fine. And see you on day 69. Bye bye.